Sina reproduction in organism ki part 2 neba. See akhoi physics se tam doishina pre-fertilization event, that means ngasai sexual reproduction ki events laibado. Events ahum laina pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization events. Akhoi na hose ahan boin tam doishina pre-fertilization event neba ko. Si pre-fertilization and event. Aze haurase ko. Pre-fertilization event. These include all the events of sexual reproduction prior to diffusions of gametes. Sexual reproduction haibasida changba fusions of gametes ki events singse sida loina yaweba. The two main pre-fertilization events are gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Pre-fertilization event haidine fertilization thoktringaigi thawdoktubu, that means a fertilization pre haidi mamang haibaniba fertilization che karam kan thokani hai tam sida esi mathang pre fertilization event gi matang da fertilization tamaktoni ko sida fertilization hai tar ding asai few gametes ani se fuse torni the fusion of gametes ani male and female gametes fuse tor matung da fertilization hai na event sama thoeba adu du buneba fertilization hai se adugumba fertilization jo thok tringai gi mamang gi event to buneba pre fertilization event na khoi hojik tam dori se adu da magi event ani leiba ko pre fertilization event ki gametogenesis haiba maga gamete transfer mag haiba maga akhoi na hojik first tam doi se gametogenesis neba ko. As you are already aware, gametogenesis refers to the process of formation of the two types of gametes, male and female. Gametogenesis haibadi process makhala mane karamba process na haiba matamda gametes ani puthokpagi ko gametes ani form tawbagi process to buneba gametogenesis haide karamba gametes ani male and female. Male na male gametes puthoni, female na female gametes puthoni, ani se sum gametes ani puthokpagi process to buneba gametogenesis haise. Gametes are haploid cells. Gametes since haploid cell neba. That means a haploid ti n oi habaneba. Haploid ti am khatang oi habaneba. Haploid se am khatang oi habani n oi ba ko gametes se haploids oi habaneba ko. Aduga in some algae the two gametes are so similar in appearance that it is not possible to categorize them into male and female gametes. Gametes khara dadi ko gametes khara dadi gametes, that means algae khara dadi gametes ani se magi outer appearance haide mai masak che chap manayeba ko chap manabani na male gametes na karambano female gametes na karambano haibase khandokpada waeba. Next, adugumba gametes manaba gametes to buneba homogametes natraga isogametes haise sida figure da yauri se figure A da yauri se ko figure 1.5 ki A da yauri se si se sineba isogametes haise ko si ma se masak se chap mani dana se si masak se chap mani adugi isogametes ko bane si gametes ani se male gamete na karambano female gamete na karambano khandokpada di wani dana adugi ne ma se homogametes natraga isogametes ko ba si isogametes si structure se cladophora ni ko si so alga makhalam ne, that means an algae makhalam ne ba si cladophora ni ko. Aduga next, however, in majority of sexually reproducing organisms, the gametes produced are of two morphologically distinct types, heterogametes. Sexual reproduction zatharaga puthokpo organism the gametes ani do, that means a male ga female gametes to masak manade ba ko distinct types different types oiba aduduna heterogametes ko ngasai gametes ani do manabaduna similar oi masak chap manabaduna male ga female ga masak chap manabaduna homogametes isogametes ko adegi masak Khetnabaduna sexually reproduce tauba organism da gametes ani masa khetnaba distinct types oibaduna heterogametes ko homogametes natraga isogametes ke example duna ngasai cladophora haikre ko mamangi figure 1.5 hojikna heterogametes ke example sina sise fucus se fucus so sisu heterogametes ne si fucus sisu algae makhalam ne fucus aduga human being na sina ovum ne aduga sina sperm ne si ani se khetnai ko sina male gamete ne sina male gamete sperm sina male gamete aduga ovum sina female gamete si ani se heterogametes haini ba kaigino har ani se masakti mana de na my appearance khetne aduga alga ge fucus ki susu heterogametes kaigino haide si macha yauri sina sorry si macha sina male gamete choiduni si achouba sina female gamete ne basina adudi gametes ani se manadre dana aduna heterogametes haini ba aduga human being gi sisu heterogametes haini ba in such organism, the male gamete is called the anthrozoid or sperm. The female gamete is called the egg or ovum. That means ngasai degi organism dana puthokpas male gametes ani do male gametes natraga female gametes haina female gamete male gamete na dum haidana moi gi so female gametes ki so maming ama leijai male gametes ki do maming ama leijai ba male gamete na kai ka re habada anthrozoid natraga sperm kore and the female gamete na egg or ovum kore ka hoje akoina hoje mokta udishna sexuality in organism ka sexuality in organism sexual reproduction in organism generally involves the fusions of gametes from two different individuals. Sexual reproduction se chathaba matamda organism dane ngasagi ani organism ani that means a male organism natraga female organism duna puthokpa gametes ani do fuse tawba ma haidi punchanba ma darkar oiba ko but this is not always true si matam khuding makta chumbadi nateba. From our recollection of examples studied in class 11, can you identify cases where self-fertilization is observed? Sikaino haiba matamda aikoina na class 11 tam example me am tamme ko aduda self-fertilization haiba word ama taramgani ba ko observe tawba ma self-fertilization haidi masa mathanta fertilize tawba ngamba haibani ba ko of course, citing such example in plants is e.g. Next paragraph. Plants may have both male and female reproductive structures in the same plants bisexual. Plants ne male ga female reproductive structure punna yauba plant leba. Adu bubu bisexual kaweba ko. Reproductive structure haita macha puthokpa ngamba structure yaubudo adudune plants ane adu animak male gisu female gisu punni yaubu plant leiba adudubuneba bisexual haise sida aina different color na highlight tawishne important oibasing duneba aduga underline tawrising sina sumnagi competitive exam gumbada haidi khangjan bada yam kanaga dabasing duneba aina underline tawrising sina different color na or on different plants unisexual that means a male ga female reproductive structure se plan amadata pulap na yaubaduna bisexual kore aduga different plant tongan ba plan amadana male reproductive structure yarba aduga plan amadana female reproductive structure yarba adu tongan na yaubaduna unisexual kaweba ko uni haidi ama khatang haiba ko unisexual ngasai bisexual har bi har ani mak pulap haiba in several fungi and plants terms such as homothallic and monoecious are used to denote the bisexual condition and heterothallic and dioecious are the terms used to describe unisexual condition fungi fungi several ko fungi ayamba aduga plants tadi ko homothelic natraga monoecious haibase bisexual condition da sijinai. That means male and female reproductive structure plants amada khatang da male and female reproductive structure yaubudo punna adudi bisexual haibani da huji haibudo animak bisexual ani yawe haba adudo karamba tam sijinage haiba matam da homothelic natraga monoecious sijinai ba. aduga unisexual condition hai tardi different plant da male ga female reproductive structure tongan yaubudo aduna unisexual condition haidana adugumba plant na karamba tam sizinage haiba matamda heterothelic natraga dioecious haibase sizinayeba. In flowering plants, the unisexual male flower is staminate, that is bearing stamens, while the female is pistillate or bearing pistil. Flowering plants tadine unisexual male flower haidi ngasagi plants amada male flower laidana ko male flower am khatang yawdo unisexual haidana aduda magi gametes na stamens ni ko we ko staminate oi ba ko gametes haibde flower dedi staminate natraga stamens haiba aduga female flower duna pistillate natraga pistil haiba female gametes. So in some flowering plants both male and female flowers may be present on the same individual monoecious or on separate individual dioecious ko. Flowering plants khara dadi male ga female flowers se plants amada yaubudo aduduna monoecious natraga bisexual hai ko natraga separate individual tongan ba plant da male flower na atopa plant na da female flower na atopa plant am da yaubuduna dioecious hai ba natraga bisexual. Some example of monoecious plants are cucurbits, coconut, and of dioecious plants are papaya and date palm. Monoecious haidi bisexual plants ki plants khara di, that means the male and female flowers to plants amada yaubagi example haidi cucurbits, coconuts. Cucurbits hai tardi mari chatpa plants sing do ko mari chatba samna harba da tendrils yaubudo tendrils hai cucumber gumba pea gumba sing cucurbits ta loin chinge ko pea plant gumba se aduga coconuts. And dioecious plants dioecious hai tardi male ga female flowers se tongan ba plant ta yaubudo ko unisexual oibudo aduna papaya ko wathabi date palm hai se khajur do aduduneba. Name the types of gametes that are formed in staminate and pistillate flower. Staminate ka pistillate flower the form tauba gametes to kai gametes no haidi staminate flower di stamens, that means that is a male flower neba. Pistillate flowers to na pistil produce, so is that means asina female flowers neba ko. Next paragraph. Next paragraph to ko. But what about animals? And animals study si mayam se kai na haidoino maming pidoino sineba ko are individuals of all species either male or female unisexual. That means the are individual of all species are male or female sa unisexual or individuals species khuding maki individuals sing se male natraga female oibra sineba, or are there species which possess both the reproductive organs bisexual oibra haidi reproductive organ male ga female reproductive organ se animals to the pull up ne yaubra haidi adidi bisexual oibra sineba. You probably can make a list of several unisexual animal species. Unisexual oiba animal species sing se nang bisexual gina bisexual oiba animal sing sina nang tongana list sama chart ama sema ba ko unisexual oiba sing sina chart ama tongan sema ga khangdok pi. Earthworm, spawn, stepworm, and leech. Typical example of bisexual animals that possess both male and female reproductive organs are hermaphrodites. I say bisexual animals haidi karamba animals no male ga female reproductive organ se pulapna animals to the yawbo ko adudo hermaphrodite su hai ko bisexual su hai ngasai plants tana kai haire bisexual su oire aduga homothelic su hai ko sidana hermaphrodite harakani ba plants tana homothelic haire ko animals tana hermaphrodite harakani examples na earthworm sponge stepworm and leech ko adagi cockroach is an example of unisexual species. Cockroach sina na unisexual species haidi karamba unisexual species hai tardi male ga female reproductive organ se animal tongan ba da yaw animal amdana male reproductive structure oidoba duga animal amdana female reproductive structure yawbo oido tongan ba amada yaw aduna cockroach ne ba examples. Next paragraph. Cell division during gamete formation. Cell division during gamete formation. Gamete in all heterogametic species are of two types, namely male and female. Heterogametic species hai tardi kaino habna manadaba gametes haiba ko species da manadaba gametes puthokpa singdo types ani leiba male and female mga sai hydra manadaba gametes to bne male and female gametes male na male gametes puthok chadoine female na female gametes puthok toine ba ko gametes are haploid through the parent plant body from which they arise, may be either haploid or diploid haidi gametes se puthoroktori ba gamete se male na ne male gamete puthoroktoi se haploid oi that means ama khatang ne ba n type hai tardi ama khatang puthoroktoi ne ba ko through parent plant body plant parent haidi puthoroktori ba individual do na puthoroktori do ma se parent chinge kana parent to na haploid oirambia diploid oirambia adubu ma na puthoroktori ba gamete to the always time haploid oi ne ba ama khatang puthoraka ni ba ko diploid haidi diploid hai tardi ani oibado haploid condition ani leibado adu dunia ba diploid hai se a haploid parent produces gametes by mitotic division ko haploid parent sing sinane kamaina gametes amuk puthorake hai pandam da mitotic division hai se chatharaga ne haploid parent na gamete produce taweba. Thus, this means that meiosis never occur in organisms that are haploid. Sina takpadi meiosis se organism da haploid organism se thok tabra sine ba chumme ba thok te ba meiosis ti sexually reproduced over organism that means a diploid organism da meiosis thokani ba adubu rare condition da dine meiosis se thoeba ko meiosis se haploid organism da thoe that means a karam kanda thoe da haploid ani na ne haploid gamete ani na fuse or zygote form tor matung da ne meiosis se thokani ba. Carefully examine the flowchart of life cycle of algae that you have studied in class 11 chapter 3 to get a suitable answer ko carefully agoina class 11 ta ne life cycle of algae ta medana flowchart oina aduda examine to class chapter 3 da ko aduda ilai na khangni ba. Next paragraph. Several organisms belonging to Monera, fungi, algae and bryophyte have haploid plant body. This is important ne ko haploid plant body hai tardi haploid condition haploid gamete se karam bada yawgi habadadi Monera, fungi, algae and bryophyte ta haploid plant body oiba but organism belonging to pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm and most of the animals including human beings the parent body is diploid. Masai haida pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm aduga animals ko human beings yauraga parent plant body sing se diploid oiba haploid oibesina karam padano habada Monera fungi algae and bryophytes ta aduga diploid oibesina pteridophyte angiosperm gymnosperm aduga animals including human being diploid oiba. It is obvious that meiosis, the reduction division, has to occur if a diploid body has to produce haploid gametes. Reduction division has a it is obvious. Meiosis has a reduction division higher su khangnei ko ngasai mitotic division duna equational division have kawe ko aduga meiosis na reduction division higher su khangnei ba has to occur. Diploid meiosis karam kanthokani haiba matamda diploid body sina ne diploid parents na haploid gametes putho matungda meiosis thokani ba. Next paragraph. In diploid organisms, specialized cells called meiocyte gamete mother cell undergo meiosis. In diploid organism dadi specialized cell gamete mother cell kauba meiocyte su kauye ko meiocyte su kauye gamete mother cell su kauye ko meiosis sa theiba si cells se ko gamete mother cells na meiosis sa theiba. At the end of meiosis ki process se ko aroibada only one set of chromosomes get incorporated into its gamete ko gamete amamam dane one set of chromosome, that means 21 chromosome ne ko 21 akhoi human being tadi 23 chromosomes le ko 23 chromosomes ne adu do one set of chromosome hai ne ba ko adu gamete to the yarak to ne ba. Carefully study table 1.1 and fill in the diploid and haploid chromosome numbers of organisms. I say Simana table 11.1 the piri se chromosome number du neba meiocyte natraga meiocyte aduga gamete ta chelakadaba chromosome number du neba ko hi semana blank khara su pirame khoina calculate tawjanaba haina adu aina loina fill up tawrabane. See chromosome numbers in meiocytes diploid twice and meiocyte haidi gamete mother cell, that means the parent cell du buneba meiocyte haise puthora adu parent cell duna puthora kadaba gametes tuna haploid neba n type neba ko. Reduction meiosis athai do kai no haidi reduction division haidi kaktha hona ba ko. The human beings se magi gamete mother cell my parent cell they also 46 neba aduda my gamete na lawrak toisina only 23 khata neba ko aduga housefly na 12 yawe ko magi meiocyte gamete mother cells da 12 yawe to mana lawrak toriba mana gamete puthokpada lawrak tori sina 6 neba. Adagi red ta 42 yawe mana lawrak toisina 21 lawrak to ba ko aduga dog to 78 my magi parent body de yauriba chromosomes sina 78 magi gamete sina lawrak toisina 39 aduga cat ta 38 yawe aduga gamete na lawrak toisina 19 ko. Fruit fly dana 8 yawe gamete na lawrak toisina 4 adu Ophioglossum a fern sa pteridophyte ni ko pteridophyte ki organism pteridophyte magi meiocyte gamete mother cells na 1260 yawe aduma 630 lawrak to ba. Apple na 34 my gamete na lawrak toisina 17 rice na 24 aduga haploid condition da gamete na lawrak toisina 12 lawrak to ba ko aduga maize 20 aduga gamete na haploid condition na lawrak toisina 10 kaktharak to ni ba half lawrak to ni only one set of chromosome haiba ni ba ko. Sina male gamete amana puthok toise 23 chromosome samna haibda example oini human being da hare se ba ko male gamete ama da magi parent body da 46 yaure ba ko ado male gamete na magi male duna male parent body duna male gamete puthokduna male gamete puthorok matamda 23 yauduneba female dusu 23 puthorok doineba adu punsalaga 46 cm doineba ko individual mai macha duna 46 lawrok doineba tangkhai male degi female degi lawr aga ko next potato so 48 ne mana myocyte yauri se aduga mana gamete haploid na lawrok toisina 24 ne ba ko butterfly 380 aduga gamete haploid condition dan 190 ko onion na 32 aduga mana gamete condition da haploid condition da lawrok toisina 16 ne si myam sinse khangjanbada important khangjanbada kanani ko si myam sinse skip tawno next akhoi hojik tawse gamete transfer ngasagi gametosis pre-fertilization event ki gametogenesis ti loire ko gamete transfer sina ngasai pre-fertilization event ge ani shuba event ne ba ko gametogenesis ana akoina first event ta tam kibduna pre-fertilization ge first event ta gametogenesis haidi gamete produce to budune ba male and female gametes puthorakre ko aduga adugi process to buni gametogenesis haise aduga hojikna gamete transfer da tamak toisina gamete transfer da tamak toisina hojik male and female gametes puthokibado adudo ani do nakshan na pushalaga fuse to handoine punchan handoine ba gamete transfer sidana ko after their formation male and female gamete must be physically brought together to facilitate fusion fertilization male and female gamete se form tawkhra matung da ne animak se punchan na ba pusalaktoine ba animak se nakshan na pusalaktoine ba adubu fertilization haraktoine ba ko kona thangda in majority of organism male gamete is motile and the female gamete is stationary organism ayambadadi male gamete se motile haidi movement tawba yai haidi chathok sasin lengwat pi ai ba ko aduga female gamete sidi stationary oi haidi ma se rest ta lei haidi leng da bi da ko stationary lei oi ba ko leng da bi da lei ba exception are a few fungi and algae in which both types of gametes are motile exception dane fungi ga algae khara di ko gametes animak that means a male and female gamete animak motile oi haidi movement yai ba there is a need for a medium through which the male gamete move medium ama change ba male gamete sina ne move tawbadane movement tawbadane help oina ba mating oina ba ne medium ama change ba ko in several simple plants like algae, bryophyte and pteridophyte, water is the medium through which this gamete transfer takes place. Simple plants khara da di example oina algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte sidi ne ngasai gi male gamete se move tawnaba movement tawnaba ne medium do water no oiba ko and large number of the male gamete however fail to reach the female gamete ko male gamete se ayamba ne female gamete yauba ngamdaba leyeba ko to compensate this loss of male gamete during transport the number of male gamete produced is several thousand times the number of female gametes produced adugumba amangbado fukat na hotna badane male gamete sinane female gamete puthokpadagi ne 1000 times heleba male gamete puthokpase next paragraph in seed plants pollen grains are the carrier of male gametes and the ovules have the egg ko seed plants tadi ko seed tamakani sexual reproduction in organism da ne sexual reproduction in flowering plants ta seed plants the pollen grains na kaino aduga pollen grains na ovule haidi egg ta kamai yawi haibase chapter 2 da tamakani ko detail oina sida hujik mana haisina kaino habada seed plants tadi haidi seed yauba plants tadi ko seed puthokpa ngamba plants tadi pollen grains male gametes carrier of the male gametes that means ngasai male gametes puthokpadadi algae bryophyte pteridophyte tadi water sina medium oidana adidi water se carrier oidana male gamete pubagi damakta adu so chap manana male gametes se pollen grain na puiba seed plant study ko seed plant study and ovules have the ovule manung dana egg yawba ko pollen grain produced in anther therefore pollen grains na anther the produce to dun anther has na kaino have se details the higher ge chapter 2 do in higher ge details ta ko next paragraph be transferred to the stigma before it can lead to fertilization. The pollen grains se anther na puthokpa pollen grains se stigma da hana tadoineba. Aduga adu matungda fertilization laktorineba. In bisexual self-fertilizing plants, example P, transfer a pollen grain to the stigma is relatively easy as anther and stigma are located close to each other. Pollen grains soon after they are set come in contact with the stigma. Bisexual plant haidi male ka female ka reproductive or structure do plant na bada tayaw budo aduda di self fertilizing haiba word se seasonary self fertilizing structure se thueba ko example oine peas kumse peas se self fertilizing tawe kay gino ha kana mangonda male su female su reproductive organs pulap na yawba transfer of pollen grain to the stigma pollen grain se anther dagi pollen grain se stigma da transfer tawse easy oiba kaigino haiba matam da moidi di plant amada ta yawrabani na matam su changdredana and stigma are located close to each other high se ko pollen grains soon after they are set come in contact with the stigma pollen grains se set tawba haidari anther dagi ne produce tor aba matung da ne stigma ga stigma da ma se tarni ba but in cross pollinating plants haidi self fertilizing tawdaba unisexual plant haidi plant se amana different plant yawbudo male reproductive structure ka female reproductive structure do different plant yawbudo adudana cross pollination haib sizinei ko including dioecious plants ko dioecious plants habdo haidi dioecious haitardi unisexual plants habani ko a specialized event called pollination facilitated transfer of pollen grain to the stigma unisexual plant natro dioecious plants tadine pollination haiba process jathe pollination haidi kaino haba matamda pollen grain dagina pollen grain se stigma da transfer to process to pollination haibane ba ko pollen grain germinate on the stigma and the pollen tube carrying the male gamete reach the ovule discharge male gamete near the egg ko pollen grain se stigma da germinate tawrani hai tadi stigma da tarni da pollen grain se transfer to salani aduga pollen grain se muka pollen tube na purani ko aduda pollen grain manungda male gametes yauri ni ko carrier of the male gametes habani ba pollen grain se adu pollen tube ta changdune pollen tube na purani aduga ovule yaurani pollen tube to dagi ko sum pollen tube to dai la aga ovule yaurani ovule du dagi ovule du da ko male gametes se near the egg manak to the transfer to sanduni ba in dioecious animal study ko unisexual animal study since male and female gametes are formed in different individuals male ka female gametes se different individuals to form to that means tongan ba individual the organism the organism must evolve a special mechanism for gamete transfer ko gamete se transfer tawna bo hona ba special mechanism ama change ba ko animal ki oina high tarti ko successful transfer and coming together of gamete is essential for the most critical event in sexual reproduction the fertilization adugi event to neba ko gamete transfer tawbada animal study individuals se had reproductive structures the different individual they yawbani na special mechanism ama change ba ko special mechanism do neba fertilization hai se ko sexual reproduction they include tawriba event fertilization haibase si sibune ba gamete transfer tawbada changi se fertilization haiba mechanism se changi ba animals ki oina di ko